Hello, 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 and welcome again. One of my subscribers wanted me to help him with a chorus in Africa because the notes hit so high. They are hitting on a G4 right there, or an A4 rather, and it's gonna take a lot to drag me away from you. So it sits high, and that was the problem he was having. So I have several suggestions. Number one, to know that it's the mix. If you're pushing and you're trying to do it in chest, maybe it's just a little bit too much for the muscles, and you need to do it in the mix area, which is that combination of falsetto and chest voice. But the big deal is that your falsetto has to be really, really strong so that the mix is not going to be too weak and not able to carry staying up at those notes. That's the first thing. Then don't push. Remember, you have to be comfortable in that. So make sure that your falsetto muscles are nice and strong to hold up the mix area, because they're the ones that are in charge there. And it is just a little bit of chest mixed in, or a lot, depending upon your muscles and how strong they are. Then try 3 steps down when you practice. Instead of doing it at the F minor, okay, so you know, right there, and then modulate up again, and get the note. You might even want to try lower, but the whole thing is that you're trying different keys. You're bringing it down, bringing it back up. Make it an exercise so that your muscles get used to it and are happy doing that. And you might even try even a key higher to push that. Also, when you're doing that and you're trying 3 steps down and modulating up to the original key, abdominals. You need to support the tones while you're doing that. And that is with whenever you're singing the song, make sure that you're really supporting, not pushing. Then the last thing would be change the key. Sometimes it's just too high. The song is not in the right position and place for your voice. But the problem with this song is that it's an octave down when you have the first part. No, it's a B, sorry. I hear the drums, da, da, da. It's really far down, so you might not be able to change the key and bring it down because of the fact that it's all the way down an octave and then it jumps up an octave. And so it has a nice big range to it, which can be great, but it does create that problem if it's a little bit too high for your voice. The other thing is right in here. Are we going to play?
Hurry boy, it's waiting there for you.
Okay, hurry boy, it's waiting there for you. That leads into the chorus. Right there, that's in your changeover. That's in your area where you're going to have a transition. So if you push that and then your mix is a little bit light, you're going to have a change of volume that's going to be very apparent, and you're going to want to push. So what you want to do is, hurry boy, da, 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 da. You want to do that not so loud so it will match up with your mix area. Okay? All right, I know that that's going to be helpful for you and anybody else that's trying to do this song. It's a great song, but yes, it sits up there and it has a big low in the beginning for the verses, but you can do it, okay? Now, just to tell you that these exercises that I do, and this going over like words in a song or parts of a song and taking up as an exercise, we do that in my group, my singing group online. It's Singing for a Lifetime. We just do exercises, but I change them up every day, and it's for every different style. So much fun. So check us out at marquitawaters.com. It's the membership, and it's Singing for a Lifetime. I think you'd enjoy it. Okay, so subscribe if you aren't a subscriber, and ring that bell. And remember, it is such a day, yeah, such a mighty fine day. Bye-bye.